I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. To make this integration, I am using Bit Integration plugin. So let's go to my Bit Integration Dashboard, Create Integration. Search and select Ninja Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select Zoho Marketing Automation for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Select a respected data center. Here need the client ID and client secret for authorization. Please visit the Zoho API console. Click Get Started. Go to Server-Based Applications. Give the name. Here need the homepage URL and authorized redirect URI. Go to the authorization page and copy the homepage URL. Paste it here. Also, copy the authorized redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click Create. This is the client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste the authorization page. Now click Authorize. Click Accept. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective list as you want. Now map the field. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Also, go to Zoho Marketing Automation and check the data is listed or not. Here is the data coming into the Zoho Marketing Automation form Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.